The set fan speed setting on the Enviro controller allows you to change the temperature for day and night. When lights change from on to off, the controller's light sensor detects the change and automatically switches from day to night. In this example, the day temperature is 27.1 degrees and the night slightly lower at 25.1 degrees. You then set the bandwidth, which is the difference between when the fans start up and when they're going at full speed. In this example, the fans are set at 25.1 degrees with a bandwidth of 2 degrees, so the fans will not run at full speed until 27.1 degrees.